fumbled the ball. He got it back. Now he's throwing in zone. Wide open. Touchdown! He's got a guy, and it's a catch. It's a touchdown. Touchdown, Texas A&M. He's rolling. He's throwing. It's intercepted. A&M. Aggies just intercepted the ball. Lightning in a bottle in Tuscaloosa.
Well, it's the one we've all been waiting for. It happens tomorrow. Number 1 Alabama goes to College Station to play number 6 A&M. Yeah, revenge will certainly be on Alabama's mind. The Aggies 2-9 all-time versus AP number 1 schools. Numbers never lie. Breaks down the matchup.
Hey, it's Michael Smith here from Numbers Never Lie. My man Johnny Manziel tried to downplay the significance of the Alabama rematch. Well, I'm not buying it, because he's only the 6th reigning Heisman winner to face the number 1 team in the AP poll. The only one who didn't lose was Tim Tebow, who beat none other than Nick Saban's Alabama en route to winning the national championship. And for anyone on Alabama to say it's not about revenge, come on. Consider that last year, Johnny Manziel completed 80% of his passes at least 20 yards downfield against the Tide. Impressive, since all of Alabama's 13 other opponents combined completed less than 25% of their passes that long. Last year, Manziel completed 100% of his 6 passes outside the pocket against Bama and scrambled for an additional 94 yards when forced out of the pocket. Alabama's 13 other opponents only completed 36% of their passes outside of the pocket and scrambled for only 50 total yards last year. And most amazing of all was third down. Johnny Manziel converted 9 of his 13 third down chances against the Tide. That was the highest conversion rate for a quarterback against Alabama in the last 10 seasons. I mean, he had a total QBR of 99.4 against Alabama on third down. All other quarterbacks in the world combined for a total QBR of 7.0 in that situation. So I'm going to guess that while Johnny Manziel was spending the offseason hanging out with LeBron James, Rick Ross, and the Duck Dynasty guys, Nick Saban was probably sitting in a dark room somewhere, watching film, plotting revenge. Because numbers never lie.